Welcome to episode 15 of Memory Course 5, the Permanent Memory Sphere, Unlocking the World, Countries and Capitals. Hey there, Powerbrains, globe-trotters and knowledge seekers. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will transform your memory into a powerhouse of geographical wizardry? In less than a year, you'll be navigating the world map like a pro, pinpointing countries and their capitals with the ease of a seasoned traveler. That's right, you're about to embark on to be 1 million, literally. You know how to flip through the news and see the places mentioned, and you're like, where on earth is that? Well, fret no more. Most folks can barely match 10 countries to their capitals, but not you, not anymore. You're on the fast track to become a walking atlas. Here's the thing, it's all about breaking free from the negative spiral of confusion. The more you think you don't know, the more your brain feels like you're in a blender of facts. But we are flipping the script with our total learning memory technique. You'll be visualizing maps and globes, and before you know it, every mention of the country or capital will stick in your mind like your favorite catchy tune. So, are you ready to give your memory muscles a workout and have a blast while doing it? Let's get started and turn the world into a memory playground. Country, Andorra. Capital, Andorra la Vella. Continent, neighbors. Located in southwestern Europe, bordered by France to the north and Spain to the south. Interesting facts. Andorra la Vella is the highest capital in the city of Europe, situated in the eastern Pyrenees Mountains. It has a population approximately of 22,800 of 2015. The city is known for its status as a tax haven and its tourist industry, particularly for skiing. Language mnemonics. 4 equals R, row, rowing boat. Represents the 4th fact, Andorra. De equals nata, net. Represents the letters de in Andorra. R equals rare diamond. Represents the double R in Andorra. V equals la fa, leaf. Represents the letters V in La Vella. L equals lily. Represents the double L in La Vella. Geography mnemonics. The number 4,000 is associated with the word touch, and the imagery of sand represents the 3 zeros following the number. That gives us touch, sand, rowing boat, net, rare diamond, leaf, lily. In Andorra, a small country tucked between France and Spain, there's a practical way to remember its capital, Andorra la Vella. Imagine you're on a mission to find the most straightforward route to this highland city. You start with a touch, a handshake with a local map expert who hands you a sand-colored map. You set off in a sturdy rowing boat, navigating the mountain rivers. And your net has all the essentials. A rare diamond compass that points towards the capital. A leaf from the Pyrenees as a bookmark for your map. And a lily, the national flower you present when you arrive. This journey isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about embedding the knowledge of Andorra and its capital in your mind. Each item will carry you to see a picture word and make the memory of the place as solid and real as the ground between your feet. Let's get down to brass tacks and have this puzzle solved from Andorra. Andorra la Vella. We'll grab the picture words we gathered. Touch, sand, rowing boat, net, rare diamond, leaf, lily, and use them as our building blocks. Each word has a clue, a tangible piece that connects it from the mental image of the country and its capital. We start with a touch of the map, feeling the texture of the sand-colored paper. The rowing boat represents our journey through the rivers of knowledge, while the net is there to catch every little bit of information. Rare diamond guides us with its brilliance. Leaf marks our progress, and the lily signifies the completion of our quest. Touch, sand, rowing boat, net, rare. 4,000. Row equals 4. Ne, de, r. Diamond. Leaf, lily. Le, v, le. 4004. Ne, de, r. Le, v, le. 4. Andorra la Vella. So, fellow memory voyagers, embrace the permanent memory sphere. Let it guide you through the atlas of discovery. Soon, you'll be that person who effortlessly names capitals, traces borders, and weaves stories. And when someone asks, "Where's Andorra?" you smile and say, let me show you on the globe. Remember, the world is vast, but your memory can hold it all.